They welcomed the court ruling with a hearty embrace. Before the NASA principals, their legal counsel and their supporters swept out of the courtroom and into the streets. A jubilant crowd gathering around the NASA principals as they emerged from the Supreme Court, their faces radiating joy after the nullification of the August 8th presidential election. This a landmark ruling.
I think this is the first judgment in the entire continent of Africa which have upset an election, a presidential election. And therefore, this Supreme Court of Kenya, this time around, has done Kenyans proud and live up to its principles and the law relating to the elections. For the first time in history of African democratization, a ruling has been made by a court nullifying irregular elections of a president. This is a precedent-setting ruling. They are very historical.
I feel that the dignity and the integrity of the Supreme Court has been re-established. And therefore, as we thank Justice Maraga and the majority, including the minority, the fact that was able to give the minority opportunity even to read their dissenting judge was tremendous. Yes. You can see the openness with which these proceedings were conducted. Therefore, I'm happy to be a Kenyan today.
Yet even as the NASA principals lauded the judges for their decision, later in the day, NASA presidential candidate Raila Odinga raised questions about an election process which he termed deeply flawed.
Stealing of elections in Kenya is a manifestation of the culture of political impunity, an impunity that the IEBC willingly and gladly participated in. The perpetrators of 2017 electoral theft were emboldened by the fact that those who stole the 2013 elections have gone unpunished.
In the wake of the ruling, the National Super Alliance held a parliamentary group meeting at its Okoa, Kenya offices as it laid down its strategy in the face of fresh elections. Outside the gates, the celebrations going on into the night. Wilkis Anyabwa, Citizen Weekend.